All right, so let me just give you a very quick example. This is an example of how to use data to make marketing decisions. This is an example of a situation where my marketing students in my American Marketing Association club did a project for Hershey's Cool Blast breath mints as they were trying to launch the introduction of this new type of breath mint. And so we were asked to come in and do some of the marketing research to come up with the best logical strategy for them moving forward. So we started with secondary data. First, we went to IBIS World to get an industry report on the gum, breath fresheners, and mint industry. This provided us with a lot of information about size of the market, market shares, and how fast each of the individual submarkets were growing. We then went to Mintel for the Mintel data on customer behaviors regarding gum, breath fresheners, and breath mints. This provided us with a lot of interesting background information for how people make the decisions about which of the three to buy, mints, gums, or breath fresheners, and then how they were consumed. We then went to the MRI data, which provided us with customer demographics for our brand, for the other Hershey's brands, and then brands like Altoids, Lifesavers, and other competitors in the marketplace. All three of these sources, these databases, are readily available for you as a student here at UNLV. The library has access to those for you. So use those when you're doing your market research for your other classes. Then we decided we needed some additional primary research. So in this case, you can see that we went in and did 6 different primary research activities, including focus groups to get a better understanding of the use of breath mints. We did an awareness study where we asked people to name their favorite breath mints and to find out which brands had the most recognition. We did a taste test, followed by a purchase behavior study. We did a distribution audit of 18 stores and 6 managers to get a better understanding of where on the shelves particular breath fresheners and mints were being distributed. And then we did a mint survey of 806 respondents to get a real good primary data on exactly how and when and where and how much individual consumers were spending on gums, mints, and breath fresheners. Total of 1,519 participants. Our students it was a great experiential learning activity for our students. And the result was our recommendation that Hershey's use what was called the Cool Blast Moment campaign. Once again, this strategy was based on the data that we collected and both primary and second data that we collected on the mint business and Cool Blast themselves.